Now that it's finally fall, I do have a new lip combo that I'm obsessed with. I want it to match my nails, and I went a little bit of like with the wine berry color. I just did my own nails. I absolutely love them. They're so cute. I'm just going to go ahead and outline my lip with Gifted. It just goes on so creamy. The pigmentation, incredible. And it's retractable, which I love. So when you're on the go, you don't have to try and find a pencil sharpener. We are using a stain. Stains usually dry your lip a little bit, so you do want just a touch of moisturization. The best. Next we have the Glossier Cloud Paint, which is a lip stain for eyes and cheeks as well, in Haze. I'm going to go and grab the Sephora Lip Stain Liquid Lipstick. It's a number 14, just a touch of it, just to really add depth to that. Now that it's dried up a little bit, I'm just going to go back with Gifted and just go ahead and just line that a little bit more, just to give it a little bit more definition and bring that stain and bring the liquid lipstick all together. Perfect. So you can totally leave it like this, perfectly fine. But this combo also is a great recipe and a setup if you want to put gloss on top of it so it doesn't like smear all over the place, because you already have that amazing foundation. It's not going to move. And plus, like, you have that stain, it's not going anywhere. So this is the part where I'm going to break out my OG favorite, like a lot of us, the Lip Glass by MAC, and elevate it. Makeup wipe handy because this gets quite sticky. Hence why my hair is up, because I only wear it when my hair is up. If your hair is down, it feels like a web. I'm gonna grab a little just on my finger because I don't want to get this dirty. I always recommend to put lip gloss in the middle of your lip, on the top lip and the bottom lip, because then it moves on its own. If you put all over the place, then it's gonna be goopy, and you don't want that unless you do. I'll do a little bit on the bottom and a little on the top. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Who knew that I would venture off into a beautiful berry lip for fall? It's time, with my cute little nails. So excited.